How can you be impulsive and indecisive in the same circle? How? Right. We got a kid's dinner. I don't know what it is. It's not a kid's dinner, but every time I put beans with a dinner, it always makes me have a kid's dinner. Don't even ask me why. So we got spicy bean burger. We got like these cheesy hash brown things. You can't see, but right. Also, can you see now? Right, that's it. I've decided I'm getting a new phone. Wait. So these are. I've already put the cheese in the beans. We're just gonna put a bit there, right? 2 things because of my friend today. So if you're watching, thanks. Went over there after school with the kids. One, I've got this dinner because she said she was having Kiev's chips and beans, I believe, and I was like, what? I need something like that right now. Okay, so that's why I've got this. And 2, she's got an iPhone 17. And I'm thinking, she doesn't even do content and she's got a good phone. I need a good phone. Basically, I'm just impulsive and now I want it. Cheesy beans. Yeah. So basically, well, I've been in and on about a new phone anyway, haven't I? So I'm going to need one. I don't need one. I want one. And I'm not buying an iPhone 17. Just not doing it. I'm not paying monthly costs. Because I don't want monthly costs. You know, so I'm just going to buy one, right? And I don't want to pay over £1,000 for a phone. I just can't justify it. I don't want it. Nope. No. Have you seen that? Ethan and Eli. Stop. Love those boys, mate. So, where was I going? I have no idea what I was doing. Anyway, have you eaten? If you haven't, eat something. Something's better than nothing. Oh, hang on. I know what. So, iPhone 16 Pro. Apparently, Apple stopped selling them. So where can I buy one brand new? All I'm finding is a refurb. So, I think I found a new one on Amazon. I'm not sure. £850, somewhere around that price. I can't work out if it's new or not, because it said like new, but then it said new on there, and I'm like, well, what is it, mate? It doesn't say refurbished. I mean, it's a bit expensive for a refurb if it is, no? Okay. So, anyway, my question is, that was hot. Where the hell can I get a brand new iPhone 16 from? iPhone 16 Pro. I've got a 13 and I'm going to get it. So, where can I get it new? In the UK. Because I just can't find them. They're all refurbed. From what I know, Apple stopped making them when they brought out the 17. Yeah, don't want monthly cost. I just want to buy one. And in a minute, I'm going to do it on Amazon. And then I'm like, do I buy an iPhone from Amazon? Like, is that even okay? I don't know. God, I hate it that I'm so... Right. The thing is with me, it's actually not fun being me sometimes. I'll tell you why. Because I'm also... How can you be impulsive and indecisive in the same circle? How? Impulsive, indecisive. How is that even possible? Yeah, getting a new phone right now. And then I look, and I look. I'm like, oh my God, I can't. I'm like, oh, you tell me what to do, and then someone will tell me to do it. I'm like, no, sorry, I'm not doing that. But then I wouldn't even make a decision to do it. What the fuck? Seriously? That's not fun. Just shut up and do it. I don't know. It's crazy. It's awful, actually. Anyway, iPhone 16, where can I get it brand new? And if I can't, where can I get it? Like basically brand new, like pristine. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I can't even remember really. This happened so fast, this video. I can't actually remember the moral of the story. I can. What I mean is, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm basically thinking sometimes things happen too fast. I'm like, what just happened? Do you know what I mean? Anywho, have a good evening.